Like the drummer boy who rejoiced the coming of Christ, let us all rejoice in happiness and give thanks this Christmas.
I wish you all peace and unity.
मोगांचे विश्वासान आमी जिवया.
खुशाल बोरीत नाताला आणि नवे वरोस आउंडेता.
Happiness lies in forgiveness. May baby Jesus bring you happiness this Christmas by helping you to forgive all those who have hurt you. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
सगळे वाईट विसरून भुरग्यां भाशेन एकठांय जावन खुशाल जावया.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
आमी सगळीं आनंदभरीत जावन जेजूक येवकार दिवया.
Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas speaks of tenderness and hope. Let's hope, be simple and humble.
Let us reach out to the poor, sick, and downtrodden people to help them.
Let us work together for the betterment of our country.
Let us forgive one another. Let us stop judging others and let's love one another.
Let us forget about the past and become a new leaf.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Giving, not getting. Not I, but we. Not house, but it's a home. Let's reflect on love, forgiveness, hope, peace, obedience, respect, patience, unity, tolerance. Make our lives more meaningful and light this world. Hope you enjoy these carols and do watch it on the St. Francis Xavier official Basilica channel, which will be releasing on 22nd December at 6 p.m. Thank you and have a blessed Christmas.